Everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can create multiple Instagram accounts. So first open your Instagram in a browser or open the app and log into your main account. So once logged in, head to your profile by clicking on the profile picture on the top right corner. And next click your profile name and then add Instagram account. Alright, so in these options right here, you can find it in your profile name and add account. A new window will pop up. And now click on create new account, enter a new profile name and click next. Tap continue to add the new profile to your account center or create a password if you want to keep the account separate. Once your account is created, you can easily switch between accounts by clicking the switch button. Now you can find it in here more and then click switch accounts. Alright, and then click on it and log in to switch to that account and using that account. Alright. So enter the username and password of the account you wanted and then click login. And to switch between your accounts again, so just go back and switch, and that's it. You can add up to 5 Instagram accounts and easily manage them without logging in and logging out. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips.